everyone, today I am drawing a big heart with different patterns. Please start to draw with me, it's very interesting. I like drawing so much. Do you like drawing, coloring, painting? Wow, great job! Wow, amazing! Coloring time! Red color. Hey kids, what's your favorite color? Green color. Yellow color. Again green color. Wow! Do you like green color? Great! Pink color. Baby blue. Purple color. Again yellow. Now I am drawing different patterns. Hey kids, do you like to draw different patterns? I like to draw different patterns. Wow, great! Use yellow highlighter to highlight the heart. It's done. Thanks for watching. Love you all of you. Thank you. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Subscribe for more videos.